Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno4 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this we get access to 4 other buttons we can manage. Now let's focus on this one from the right. When we pick this, we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's slide a little bit down and focus on the photo settings category. At the third position here we have the grid option, so these are the grid lines here. When we tap on this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to see the grid lines. And as you can see, it shows us these lines. This is useful when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the settings in the right corner, then tap on this button from the right, slide again to the photo settings, tap on this button. So for now this is turned off, and here the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.